What's up, Pickle Peeps? Now, is your Canva dashboard looking a little bit convoluted, a little bit messy, a little bit, because mine is. So I wanted to come in today and show you guys how you can sort your Canva, all of your Canva items into different projects or folders. And hopefully this helps you. I know this helps me. I do it like not as often as I should, but let's get right to it. So, okay. What you want to do for this one, I'm just going to move me over here. What you want to do from your Canva homepage is go into your projects. That is step number one. And from your projects, you're going to kind of see everything. You're going to have your recent stuff in here. You're going to have everything, which if you scroll down, it's going to break down all of these. You have your folders, you have your designs, your images, and your videos. Honestly, I'm not fully sure what the difference between designs and images is, but whatever. I think designs is more like finished products. Images might include like your uploads and whatnot. So there's a really cool way that you can do this in a bulk action. Now, if you're just going in and you create one project or whatnot and you want to put it in a certain folder, you can, even from your home screen, hit on the three dots here and you can make a copy, you can move to folder, you can download it. Did you know you could do all this from the home screen? You can share it with someone. You can get the view only link. So if you wanted to set a reference point to someone or whatnot, select items. I don't know why that's on here. You would just hit the checkbox, or you can move to trash. Technically, this one right here, we can move to trash. So what I'm going to do right now, because I think it'll be fun, is I'm going to do a YouTube folder. Okay, so to create a new folder, in case you guys don't know, I opened a new project. If there's a way to do this from the regular thing, I don't know it. And then I typically just go in, grab an element, a photo, of whatnot, hit the three dots on that. And that, if you scroll down, actually I'm going to move me. If you hit the three dots on there and you scroll down to the bottom, you can see there is an add to folder button. Now we have add to folder with everything. Like that part is easy. But what isn't available in the home screen, I don't know why. Maybe they'll add it in soon. I hope so. Canva wish list. So you'll have your project shared with you. Once you have something selected, move here will turn blue, but we want to click on create new. You want to click on create new. And I'm just going to call this YouTube covers. Add new folder. Boom, it is created and done. So that is that part. And so now we are back to our main screen that we've created on the folder. So we're going to in here and I'm going to go over to designs. I just want to see all the designs. And I'm going to look specifically, I'm going to be putting my YouTube thumbnails. Now I could do this from each individual one. I could click on the three dots on one and then click move to folder. Oh, now it has create new. Look at that. So you could just click on create new if you need a new one. Otherwise, you can click through all the arrows to look for something. I have a gazillion folders, so I'm not going to bother with that. I'll search YouTube, covers, move here. Great, that got rid of one. I have a lot. So if I want to bulk move a bunch of items, I can check them on here. So check all the ones that I can see here that are YouTube. Ba-doop. Okay. And then when you have multiple selected, there's not as many options. You can move to a folder, or you can delete. So let's go ahead here and we'll click move to folder. And again, you can search your folders. Okay, this is where I didn't see it before. So on an individual, you can create a new folder, but apparently on a bulk, you can't. I don't know why. So I'm just going to go again in here, YouTube. If you don't have a lot of folders, you can probably click through the menus, but this just makes it easier for me. And I'm going to move to folder and moving your items. So if you have lots of social media stuff ready to go, you can sort by platform. I tend to sort my stuff by month that it's going up. And I haven't figured out if like platform then month or month and then platform is better. I think I like month and then platform. if you're doing YouTube stuff, if you do challenge stuff, if you have collections, if you have product collections, go ahead and create folders for those collections so you can have all of your curated images in there, all of your product images in there, all of your social graphics, anything that you need, all done in that folder. It just makes life so much easier when you need to go back and reference things versus scrolling. Scrolling. It's crazy. I have thousands of images in here, so it's probably not a good idea. But hopefully this helps you guys out. Go forth, organize. When you're like, I need to feel productive, but I don't know what to do, and I don't have a lot of time, come in, organize your images, like get your digital assets in order, and it just makes life much easier. Oh, and then you can see on here that it in the recents, like it'll say where the item is. So like boop, YouTube covers, and boom, I can click right on over here and get them all in. And even in your folders, it'll break it out between designs, images. So designs will be things that you create. Images are like stuff that they have or that you upload. And then they would also have a video section if you had that. So boom, all set. Let me know in the comments if you already use folders in Canva or not. Like, I'm really interested. Is this something that's been helpful to you? Or like, Melissa, I knew this already. It's like, okay. If you have any Canva questions, like drop those below. If you enjoyed this, make sure to give this video a like. If you're new, please subscribe to the channel. We put out new content daily on helping handmade makers with their handmade marketing and all the aspects to that. So with that, I will see you in the next one, Pickle Peep. Bye.